And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Nick Morganelli.
And good morning, Providence. Good morning to you. 33 degrees right now, feeling like 25. It's got that north-northwest wind at 10. That shifts around to the north-northeasterly direction in the next 24 hours, but it continues to make it feel colder than it is. Here's what we have on our weather headlines. It's a cold stretch of days ahead, and temperatures are only going to reach the 30s by afternoon. That's 20 degrees colder than we had earlier this week several times. So it's quite a change, but it's typical December, right? Cloudy weekend in the forecast with the wind chill in the 20s all weekend long. And there's some Sunday evening snow showers. I'll explain why that's happening too. This is the current jet stream pattern, high pressure over the Gulf of Mexico, but this is weakening and it's allowing some of this colder air to come in. Arctic air still sitting up over the northern plains. But notice the flow here. We've got systems that come in from the Pacific Northwest and they zip across the northern border of the United States. That's important in our forecast because our weather will come from that direction on Sunday to bring us that chance of some snow showers. So you see one little system here, that's going to weaken. And there's showers off to our south, that's pushing off to the south. There's a developing ocean storm. That is an influence in our weather for the weekend because it brings in this marine layer and this cloud deck. High pressure protecting us for one more day with the clear sky. But as that high moves off to the north and the low intensifies, that north to northeasterly wind brings in the cloud deck from the east, from the ocean, and it actually has a little bit of moisture with it. So you might see a sprinkle on your Saturday, but it's a dry day tomorrow for the most part with clouds. Sunday, we could have more in the way of mixed rain and snow showers, probably rain showers by day. But then at night, on Sunday evening, this little guy, remember that flow I talked about coming from the Pacific Northwest? Well, these are called Alberta Clippers. They start in Alberta, Canada. They slide across the northern part of the United States. They slide down into the Midwest, and they start to develop. They have its own moisture packet with it. The low off the coast sliding away, and that's allowing this to kind of move right in through southern New England here. And this is Sunday at 11 o'clock at night. Notice we have a little bit of precipitation here with this system. So that'll slide through. It could last into the morning commute on Monday with just a couple of snow showers. I don't think it'll make an impact for travel at all because the ground is warm, of course. Things are still not frozen. But nonetheless, keep looking at the forecast over the weekend. And as these things get fine-tuned, and these Alberta Clippers can intensify last minute and cause some problems. So we'll be watching for that very carefully for you. 28 tonight, a cloudy finish to the night. Here's your weekend in a nutshell. Look at the temperatures, 35 both days. And those evening snow showers coming in on Sunday. 7-day forecast showing the sunshine coming out on Monday. We'll probably start cloudy and then end sunny on Monday. And that sunshine takes us into the first half of next week. So, a couple of snowflakes. I've got my snowflake tie.
Yeah.
Nice. See
looks
that?
Good. Looks good, yeah.
He pointed that out to Casey first thing this morning.
To be clear, I don't hate snow. It's just, I think I've gotten used to these temps have been
You
so
prefer
mild.
warmth.
I prefer warmth.
Yes.
Yeah, well, I do too.
Yeah.
I'll take 80, 85 any day over this stuff. But, it's a little mood snow for the holidays.
Yeah,
but
it is the
it's a
season.
cold weekend, though.
Yeah.
Cold and damp.
Looks like it.
Well, perhaps, Nick, it is good